Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 10 maths chapter 7 coordinate geometry, the second subdivision in question number 6 in exercise 7.1. So let's look into the questions children. They are asking us to name the type of the quadrilateral form if any. Okay, we have to check if we are getting a quadrilateral with these points, and if it is a quadrilateral we have to tell what type of the quadrilateral it is. Okay, so as we did in the previous question, we are going to find out the sides AB, BC, CD and AD first. Okay, so with these, if there is some similarity, and then we can go in for the next things children. So first we will find out for the side AB. Before that, what is the formula for the distance formula? So we can write it as AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so AB square is equal to let me take B as x1, x2 and y2. So it will be 3 minus of minus 3. So it will be 3 plus 3 the whole square plus it will be 1 minus 5 the whole square. So it will be 6 square plus, so it will be minus 4 the whole square. So it will be, now it will be 36 plus 4 fours are 16. So it will be 52. I can write 52 as 52 will go in the 13 table. So how it will go? 13 into 4. Okay, 13 into 4. This is my AB square. So my AB, I can write it as square root of 13 into 4. I can write it as 2 root 13. So this is my AB. This is my AB. So now let's find out for BC. Okay, so BC, it's going to be BC square will be 3 minus 0 the whole square plus 1 minus 3 the whole square. So it will be 3 square plus minus 2 the whole square. So it will be 9 plus 4, which will be 13. So my BC will be square root of 13. Okay, because BC square is 13 and BC will be square root of 13. Now going for CD. Okay, so what is your CD? CD will be, CD square will be 0 minus of minus 1. It will be 0 plus 1 the whole square plus 3 minus of minus 4. 3 plus 4 the whole square. So it will be 1 square plus 7 square. So it will be, so 1 plus 49. So it will be 50. Okay, so here it is going to be 50. I can write 50 as 25 into 2. So what will be CD? Square root of 25 into 2. I can write it as 5 root 2. So my CD is what? 5 root 2. With these three itself, we can very clearly say it is not a square or a rectangle, okay, or a parallelogram or a rhombus. We will have to check for the next side, and then we will try to conclude. Okay, so now we will find out for AD. So my AD square will be so you have minus 3 minus of minus 1 will be minus 3 plus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus of minus 4, 5 plus 4 the whole square you will have. So you will, what you will have here is, so it will be minus 3 plus 1, it will be minus 2 the whole square plus 9 square. So it will be 4 plus 81, which will be square root of 85. So this is your AD. AD is what? Square root of 85. What was my AB? AB was 2 root 13. BC was root 13. AB was 2 root 13. BC was root 13. And CD was 5 root 2. Okay, all these we got together. Okay, so now the next thing which we are going to try checking is going to be what? We can check for AC or we can check for BD also. So let us try doing it for AC children. So if I am going to do for AC square, so it will be 0 minus or minus 3, so it will be 0 plus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 5 the whole square. So it will be 3 square, which will be 9, plus minus 2 the whole square, so it will be 9 plus 4, so 13. So my AC is what? Root 13. Okay, so if we are going to have any quadrilateral, okay, so let me take it to be A, B, C and D. So we've got AB to be 2 root 13, okay, and my BC is what? Root 13. Now my AC is what? Root 13. So how are we getting? We are getting AC plus CB, okay. So we are getting from this, we can say that AC plus CB is my AB, isn't it children? Because root 13 plus root 13 is what? 2 root 13. That means my A, C and B are in a straight line. It means A is here, C is here, B is here, my D is somewhere. My D is somewhere. In that case, is it a quadrilateral children? No, we cannot say it is a quadrilateral because 3 points are collinear. Because 3 points are collinear. So it means that A, B, C are collinear points. Are collinear. So you cannot get a four-sided figure. A four-sided figure is only a quadrilateral. So therefore, I can say that the points do not form a quadrilateral. The points do not form a quadrilateral. Is it clear children? What you might do is, once you arrive at this, you might jump into a conclusion that it is some quadrilateral but it is not a square or a rectangle or a rhombus or a parallelogram. So you might even think that okay, it is some kind of a irregular quadrilateral. But if you don't jump into such conclusions, go to find the diagonals also. So once I found out AC itself, I got these values. So if not, you can even check for BD. So if BD, if you find, you might get something different there, okay. But here with this itself, we got that these 3 points are collinear, where we can say that these 4 points can never form a quadrilateral. Is it clear children? So that is why you need to be very careful while reading the question. Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any. It means that there are chances that the points may not form a quadrilateral also. Okay, so you should be very careful while doing these kind of questions. You should know the formula, you should know the concepts related to these different kind of shapes. Is it clear children? So hope you understood this. We are completing with the second subdivision. We have one more subdivision in the sixth question for this exercise, and then we have the next few questions also. So see that see you with that question in the upcoming videos children. Thank you children.